What's up guys, Mike here. So guys, today I want to talk to you about big air competitions. First of all, check out the lycras for Big Air Kite League Tatajuba. So that's a comp that's going to be happening in September or October in Tatajuba, Brazil. So for those of you who don't know, Big Air Kite League, otherwise known as BACL, is the competition league that's running worldwide. We've just launched the world tour and we're on a mission to bring you more kiting competitions. So guys, riding for fun versus riding in a competition are two totally different things. So guys, riding for fun versus riding in a competition are two totally different things. In a competition, you have the pressure of spectators, friends, judges, your fellow competitors, and you're in a race against the clock to put points on the board. So someone might ride really well in a free ride, but that doesn't mean they're going to do well in competitions. Now, doing well in competitions requires being prepared, having your repertoire figured out, the tricks that you're going to perform, adjusting your strategy based on the riders you're up against or based on the judging criteria. I've made a how to compete at Big Air guide, and it takes you through a whole bunch of things to get you better prepared for competitions. Things like mental preparation, planning your trick list, sorting out your strategy, how you should adjust your strategy for different formats such as Mega Loop where only one trick counts, or King of the Air where 3 tricks count, or BACL where 2 tricks count. And yeah, I've been in a couple competitions myself and I've also made a few. So I'm by no means an expert on the matter, but I've put everything I can into this how to compete guide. And otherwise guys, stay tuned with the Big Air Kite League. We're on a mission to bring you super cool events and just take big air kiting to the next level. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments.